What's up, gentlemen? My name is Justin Marc. I'm an international dating coach and relationship expert. And guys, in this video, I want to talk to you about the scalability of Tinder. Now, we're going to talk about online dating. And before we jump into the video, I do want to announce that I have created an incredible online course called Online Seduction. This course is incredibly impactful and will change your life. It's literally going to change your entire dating life. And it goes really hand in hand with what we're talking about in this video. So with further ado, let's jump into the video. But if you want to get the Online Seduction course, go to this link right here, online-seduction.com, and get a copy of the course. Now, even if you don't want to get a copy of the course, you can still sign up for a free email list. Go ahead and put in your email, and we will give you a ton of free value, a ton of free content. For example, we have an opener that has a 92% success rate. So guys, we'll see you there. Now, let's jump in the video. All right, guys, so if you want to actually really kill it in life with dating, what you got to do is you got to learn online dating. Now, this doesn't just mean Tinder, dating apps, etc. It means learning how to actually use technology such as your iPhone or your laptop to have a very effective dating life. So it's almost as if, like, think about this. If I want a girl to come over to my place, I send one text message and 80 different girls will be texting me, and I just got to pick who I want to come over, right? And if I were to go to another city within a week, I should have enough abundance there, more than a guy who lives in the city, okay? It's pretty kind of crazy how I can go to any city around the world, and this works in third world countries, works in Western cities, it works anywhere. I'm from Toronto, Canada, works there, works in Los Angeles, works in New York, works in London. I'm here, Mexico City, works here too. Now, I want you to realize this. This works anywhere, okay? Because you gotta learn something, that 20% of men, they're matching 80% of the girls on Tinder, okay? What this means is most of the rest of the guys, they're not getting fuck all matches on Tinder, online dating. They're not getting the results that they want to get. To go even further than this, 0.5%, 0.5% of men, which means 1 in 200 men who are on these dating apps, Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, etc. These guys are actually matching about half the girls on these platforms. It's fucking crazy when you actually think about this. This means if you learn some tips, tricks, strategies to absolutely kill it with your online dating, you are now going to be in the top percentage, the top little bit of guys on these online dating apps, and you're going to be dating all of the girls. You're going to be dating literally most of the hot girls in your city. You're going to be in the pool of the guys who are getting all the female attention. And the reason for this is because men and women have different mating strategies. Men, we have lots of semen. So what this means is you can impregnate as many women as you could possibly want. And this is a long-term biological mating strategy. Women in their entire life, I believe they have something like, I think it's like 500 eggs in their entire life, okay? They have about 500 eggs, which means they can only get pregnant so many times. And if they get pregnant, they also can't get pregnant at all again that year, which means women can only have, a few children really in their lifetime. They can only bear children so many times in their lifetime compared to men. And what this means is women will be way more picky when it comes to their dating preferences. Women will be so much more selective when it comes to finding a sexual partner. And this is why you find women, think about this, if you're a guy watching this video, it's almost as if, like, if there's any hot girl walking down the street or even average looking girl, you're probably down to hook up with her. Realistically, you probably would do it, right? Women, they don't think the same way. They want to get to know the guy. They want to spend time. They want to feel safe, comfortable. They want to feel attraction. They want to make sure it's not going to affect their social reputation. There's all these things involved, right? Now, what's really cool about online dating and Tinder is you can now not only perceive yourself to be this high value male that women would be attracted to and feel comfortable around, but also you have scalability, which means, think about this. How many girls can you approach in a bar and a club on a night out? Maybe 20, maybe 30. That's like the average guy. And if you're really good and you're really motivated and you spend like hours approaching girls, you can probably approach 100 girls and you probably won't take home any if you're approaching that many girls, right? So it's weird how that works, isn't it? right? Versus online dating, you can sit on your laptop for a few hours, run a Tinder boost, do some certain hacks and tricks that are in the online seduction course, which you can get at this link right here. And all of a sudden, you will be getting hundreds, if not thousands of girls per week and getting their phone numbers, okay? For example, right before I decided to delete my Tinder account, I had 2,000 matches in 8 days. From there, I probably got about 600 girls' phone numbers. So it's really ridiculous how quickly you can actually scale your dating life with online. So really what I want to talk about in this video is how to actually scale it. Well, the main thing is you want to learn social media, you want to learn how to take good photos, and you want to learn how to use these dating apps. So let's talk about social media. Things like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, not really. WhatsApp and Instagram are the biggest ones. If you learn how to have a really good Instagram profile, your life changes, okay? You now become the guy in abundance. You become the guy with all the hot girls. You become the like Dan Bilzerian of your city. Really strange how that works. It's really, really cool. It's even gotten to the point where guys see me doing this and then I have haters. I have men hating on me being like, you're fucking Indian. You shouldn't have hot Latina girls. Like guys literally get frustrated and angry because they can't, instead of them realizing they need to change, they can't do that and they just take out their anger on you when you're killing it. It's funny how that works, right? So social media is such an important, powerful thing. Instagram, WhatsApp, learning how to manage leads, and all this is in the online seduction course that you can get at this link right here. Now, let's talk about photos. You want to actually have good photos and a good camera. I have professional camera equipment. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, which right now is like the best phone you could pretty much have out there. Maybe there's like some like weird Chinese phones or something that have a better camera, but this camera is fucking incredible, right? And when you take these super HD photos and you do all this stuff that we talk about in the online seduction course, oh my God, all of a sudden you might be an average looking guy, but you're getting way above average results. Really, really crazy. And then learning how to use these dating apps, learning how the algorithms work, learning how to optimize your profile, learning how to absolutely scale the shit out of what you're doing. It's really, really crazy because the cool thing about these online dating apps is you can actually reach, if you're in a big city, let's say you're in New York City and you're in the top like 1% of guys in that city. Well, now you can, let's just even say there's like 1 million girls in that city on, you know, online dating. Well, now all these girls can actually see you, right? It's really crazy how that works. It got to a point where I had about 5,000 matches before I deleted my Tinder account. Actually, I didn't delete my Tinder account. I got banned because I had too many matches, right? And it's weird because I had so many freaking girls that my phone wouldn't even work. It would crash. That I was like, screw this. And then Tinder just banned me out of nowhere because it's funny when you have like, think about this. It takes about like 3 girls to report you on Tinder to get banned. And if you have like 5,000 matches, what's the chances of 3 girls reporting you? So it was kind of inevitable it's gonna happen, right? So it's just so crazy. But even though I got banned, it didn't matter because I moved all the girls who were interested off to other platforms. So I have about 800 girls' phone numbers. I got about 600 of them in 1 week. And I've got total like 800 girls' phone numbers here in the city I'm in right now that I've only been in here for a few months, which is ridiculous. And so you can actually learn this and recreate this anytime you want. Imagine the level of abundance you could have if you had 800 girls' phone numbers, you send one text message, and any night of the week a girl is down to come over and hang out with you. It's, dude, you'd almost just want to retire at that point. You'd be like, okay, I'm the best. No one can beat this. Fuck this. Let's just quit. You know what I mean? And so it's kind of almost just ridiculous, the scalability of this stuff. So what I want you guys to do right now is go to this website right now, online-seduction.com. Now, guys, we sell a course about this that we teach this stuff so in depth, part by part. It's so fucking powerful. When you apply these strategies, you're set with your dating life literally forever, but you don't have to buy this course. It's fine. Just sign up for a free email list, put in your email. We're gonna email you a ton of free content. We're not gonna spam you, only value, and we're not gonna try to force you to buy anything. And you're gonna actually get to learn a lot of these strategies because I can't even talk about this stuff on YouTube. It's a little bit too inappropriate for YouTube. So guys, go to onlineseduction.com. We'll see you guys there. And also guys, if you have any questions, shoot me a message on Instagram, Drunk Justin, and I'll see you there as well. Guys, my name is Justin Marc. I'm an international dating coach and relationship expert, and I will see you guys very soon. To be honest, we've been super overwhelmed with the amount of people who have messaged us to enroll in the online mentor program. I probably had like 400 people message me. If you're still interested in changing your life forever, message me right now saying I'm in about the online mentor program. Okay. All right, yeah. See? Chris, I have a question. Are you and Carla like dating or what? Is it your girlfriend?
At this point, I'd say we're friends.
Oh. But what about last night when I was sleeping next to you guys and you guys were like humping and stuff? Chris, is this your girlfriend, Chris? Chris, is this your girlfriend?
Actually, it's my wife.
This one? She's your wife? Chris, how come you sitting so close to her, Chris? You're too close. What's up, guys? We are just out here with Chris, doing a street interview. And we're also out here with the girls. We've got her, and we've also got, say hola.
Hola.
Here's my man Justin. He needs some advice.